All right, future LPNs, today I'm going to help you nail down a concept that's crucial for your exams. Homeostasis sounds fancy, right? But it's just your body's way of keeping everything in balance. Let's break it down with two main mechanisms. Negative feedback and positive feedback. Negative feedback is the most common. It's like the body's way of saying, whoa, let's get back to normal. Think about when you're hot and start sweating. Your body's cooling system kicks in to bring your temperature back down to a comfy level. On the flip side, positive feedback is like, hey, let's keep this going. Imagine labor contractions during childbirth. Your body says, all right, more contractions until the baby is born. Now, here's a little case study for you. Sarah has a fever of 102 degrees Fahrenheit. What's her body doing to restore homeostasis? Her body kicks in with sweating and dilates blood vessels to release heat. That's negative feedback at work, balancing her internal environment. So how can you remember this? Let's use a simple analogy. Think of homeostasis like a house thermostat. If it gets too hot, the AC turns on and cools things down. If it gets too cold, the heater turns on to warm things up. Your body works in a similar way to keep everything balanced. And that's it. You've got this. Keep studying smart and you'll ace your LPN exams. Catch you in the next video.